Hello everyone and welcome again. Today we're gonna show you how to use a one-fill bioceramic sealer based on the manual instruction of the company. So here we have an upper 6 with the 4 canals, the distal buccal canals and the mesiobuccal canals and the mesiobuccal 2 canals, and of course the wide or large palatal canal. After a cleaning and shaping and of course achieving a completely disinfection protocol, the canal is now clean, shape and dry, so it's ready for obturation. And of course, after taking apical gauging with a 25 taper 2 stainless steel K file and dry the canal with a paper point. Now it's ready to be filled with a bioceramic sealer and get a Pellicle taper 4. Not to be missed that the canal is shaped with a 25 taper 4 K3 file, which is a single file system. Now the sealer is ready. This is the injection, the syringe of the sealer, ready to be cut. Here, this is the cap of the bioceramic sealer, and this is the dispensing syringe or tip. This is the intracanal tip. Removing the cap, and placing the intracanal tip. The tip must be inserted inside the canal, not to over the coronal 1/3, not beyond the coronal 1/3 of the canal, and inject the bioceramic. Of course, we need to check. Okay, one coronal 1/3, inject smoothly and gently until the canal is completely filled. Avoid the making the voids and not overfill the canal. So then the Pellicle is ready to be filled with a bioceramic. You can see here that the excess bioceramic can be removed by using a wet cotton pelt to remove any excess and cutting the Pellicle. Thank you.